Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send email with WordPress using SMTP plugin. I will go over the installation of a SMTP plugin. We'll set up the email server configurations and then send out a test email to validate the configuration. So let's start with the video. First thing we need to do is install a plugin. I will go over plugins, add new. On the add new page, I will enter the name of the plugin, which is EasyWP SMTP. Here I'll click on install. By the way, you can use this plugin to send through any SMTP server, including Gmail. So this is done. I'll click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, I'll be taken to the plugins page. On the plugins page, let's go down. I have EasyWP SMTP here. You can click on settings here, or you can click on hover over settings and go to EasyWP SMTP. So I will click on this to get to the settings page. On the settings page, enter from email address. So this will be ecompitch@gmail.com. I will enter from name, let's say dajuice.com. You can enter any name here. Reply to email address. Again, this will be ecompitch@gmail.com. What this means is whoever receives the email, if they do a reply, they will get this in the toolbox. Once that is done, SMTP host for Gmail, it's smtp.gmail.com. Type of encryption is .tls, and SMTP port for Gmail is 587. Once that is done, SMTP authentication, and SMTP user is the name of the user, the account through which we will be sending email. I've already entered the SMTP password, so you have some value there already. So I'm going to save the settings. My settings are saved. Next thing I need to do is validate the configuration by sending a test email. I click on the test email tab. On the test email tab, I will enter the email I want to send a test message to. Let's use ecompitch@gmail.com, same one. Subject is test message, and then from dajuice.com. Here I am. All of this information is done. So I go to my email account, click right here, no message. Go back here, and moving down, I'll click on send test email. So when I send a test email message, there is a response telling me the email was successfully sent. If you received an error, it could be because you may not have set the correct configuration, or maybe the password to the account was not correct. You can click on the show debug log to see the errors. Now going to my Gmail account, I see I've just received a message. Clicking on that 0 minutes ago. So it was just sent. Test message from dajuice.com. That's it. That's all you need to set up WordPress to send emails out. Now I do want to show you the configurations. If you go to the post on my website, I have put configuration settings for common services like GoDaddy email accounts or NameBright, as well as Gmail right here. So if you don't know what the settings are or you can't find them, get to my page and you can copy the settings from there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give a thumbs up.